Hello guys, welcome to my channel That Versatile Girl. I hope you people are doing really great and I'm doing also great. Thank you so much. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, this is Sushmita. And if you are new to this channel, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will always get notification when I upload a new video, and definitely like this video too. So by the title of this video, you must be knowing that we are going to create a slurp. So without any further ado, let's get started with the slurp. So first step I'm gonna do is gonna tie my hair because it's too hot and I'll just make a bun. And for the moisturizer, I'm gonna apply this Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This is so good, and I'm just giving you a brief like how exactly the moisturizer is. Like it's so, like, you know, it's like a hydrating balm. It's so good. So I'll just tie my hair, apply this moisturizer, and I'll get back. So I'm just massaging the moisturizer into my skin because this will really help you to, you know, make your skin look smooth, supple and plump. So make sure you just, you know, massage it off and wait for 15 minutes. आपको 15 मिनट एटलीस्ट वेट करना होगा. Till then, just massage it off. It will give you an amazing result. Now wait. So जब तक हम वेट कर रहे हैं, just let me talk you through something. You know, ये look बहुत सिंपल होने वाला है. Maybe like simple but glam. And if I'm not wrong, next month either, I guess 13th of May, I believe, 13 or 14th, I'm not sure of the dates, but आप उस time के लिए भी ये look definitely आप you know wear कर सकते हो. This is so good. I mean so simple, so you know बहुत easy है, बिल्कुल भी आपको tough नहीं होगा. So you can definitely wear, or definitely into some occasion, जैसे you know this is a marriage season as well, because you know yesterday I went to get some fruits and all from the market, and I saw like a lot of people were like buying stuff for the marriage stuff, like you know those वो मुकुट जो पहनते हैं वो चीज, and like garlands and everything. So yeah, there also you can wear like if you're a guest. So it is like a full, you know, all-purpose look, you can say, like simple but glamorous. So now we'll go and apply primer. And for the primer, मैं use करने वाली हूँ Swiss Beauty. This is a real makeup based highlighting primer, and this is so good that you know, because अगर आप मेरे को बहुत टाइम से फॉलो कर रहे हो, बहुत टाइम से नहीं मतलब कुछ टाइम से अगर आप फॉलो भी कर रहे हो, then you must be knowing कि मैं Maybelline के साथ हमेशा Sugar Cosmetics का illuminating moisturizer भी डालती थी, right? So ये यूज कर रहे हो, उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है, because it has a natural tint to it. इसके 3 वेरिएंट आते हैं. This is natural tint, golden tint and pink tint. So I have the natural one. अगर, let me tell you very clearly, if you really sweat a lot and ये summers है, right? So you definitely should use silicone based primer, और silicone based primer नहीं है. And I sweat like T-zone. I sweat a lot. So first I'll apply this Blue Heaven primer, okay, into my T-zone area. So I'll just take a tiny little bit. I'll just, you know, warm it up and apply it in my T-zone. ये मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश इसलिए बोल रही हूँ so that you know हम लोग कनेक्ट कर पाए, because I don't want to feel like, I mean, you know, I don't want you people to feel like कि ऐसे ही बस बैरा करती रहती है. So I just want कि हम लोग कनेक्ट कर पाए. That's how the relationship works. So I love you. Okay, डाइवर्ट नहीं होने का अभी. And you must be feeling कि ऐसे कैसे हिंदी बोल रही है, because you know I have stayed into like I have traveled a lot into some different places. Like मैंने वहाँ पे 1-2 साल तो बिताए of course. तो you know हर जगह की हिंदी मिल जुल के I'm speaking, you know. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. मैं जानती हूँ मैं कोई sense नहीं हो रहा मेरे whatever I'm saying, but I think you are understanding. Okay, so अभी हम लोग इसको अच्छे से प्रेस करने वाले हैं. एंड मे बी ये थोड़ा बहुत आपको इन डेप्थ रिव्यू हो सकता है, रिव्यू इन द सेंस मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल. सो प्लीज ग्रैब सम स्नैक्स और समथिंग और सिपर. इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग श्रेया जैन देन ऑफ कोर्स हैव अ सिपर जार. पानी हमेशा पीने रहना चाहिए, जो मैं नहीं करती, बट स्टिल आई सजेस्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट पीपल टू सफर द वे आई एम सफरिंग. यू कैन सी. So yeah, now I will be using this Swiss Beauty, and I'll take pretty good amount of this moisturizer so that I want some dewy effect. Apply it. Whoa, can you see the shine? I'll just massage it all over my face because I need it. Whoa, this is so stunning. Isn't it? Ye stroke cream jaisa, like you're really gonna love it. I highly suggest you. And for the foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 125 Nude Beige. I'm using this because आप सबको पता होगा this actually oxidize, so मैं हमेशा एक shade ऊपर वाली लेती हूँ. I'll just take maybe 2 pumps or 3 pumps, and I won't be doing any color correction because ये हम लोग बहुत simple सा कर रहे हैं. Then why the hell we need color correcting? It's okay. And don't forget your neck, you guys. This is really important to match your face with your neck because that's really important. Can you just see the color difference? I don't know why. And with the help of the beauty blender, and this is from Color Bar, I'll just blend it. अगर आपको अभी लग रहा होगा कि ये बहुत ज्यादा लाइट है मेरे स्किन के लिए, like as compared to my color tone, don't worry. ये ऑक्सीडाइज होके मेरे शेड में आ जाएगा. So no worries. So for the concealer, I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable, and ये मैं अपने inner corner and ये ऐसे करूंगी so that it will give a lift off look. Now again with the help of a beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it, and I'll just keep it on that same place so that if the light falls on my face, so those parts will get highlighted. Dab it, and we'll just take it the way it is. Always would blend it upwards, so that will give you an illusion that your face is like lifted one, not a saggy or like drop down one. So yeah. So I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution banana powder. So I need to pour it somewhere in the flat surface. So I poured it in this Pond's ka cover mein, and now I'll just dab it and apply it like wherever you have applied your concealer. Just pat it over there, especially on the T-zone, because I've told you, like wherever you feel like you are sweating a lot. So for the eyebrow, I will be using this PAC eyebrow definer, and you know how exactly I do it. So it comes with a spoolie and a brush. So I'll just using this shade. This is not that dark, or it's like proper coffee brown color. So yeah, before that I'll just comb my eyebrow because this also tends to tangle. Okay, so make sure you detangle before you apply any product on your eyebrows. So now I'll just take my mirror, and now I'm gonna pick the powder in my brush part. Okay, now I'll just draw a line underneath. Can you see this? And just draw it in the direction of my eyebrow, like hair growth. So now I'll just do one thing. Now I'll comb it downwards, and I'm gonna draw a line above like this and comb it downwards. Sorry, I mean draw the product in downward direction as per my hair growth. So for the new people who are here to see my videos. So for your information, I'm a bold eyebrow girl. I love bold eyebrows. So this is how I drew my eyebrow using that PAC eyebrow definer. So after that, I generally, if I go out, so I use this Nykaa Oh My Brow mascara. So this actually keep your eyebrow hair in place. But I'm not gonna go somewhere. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Yes, you can say 2 a.m. So that's why I'm not going to use this. You can definitely get your hands on this. This is really good, but for a soft look, it actually don't make your eyebrows look spiky. So now it's like really been a long time that I have placed this loose powder. Now I'm gonna dust it off using a fluffy brush, and this is from Cuffs and Lashes. I really love it. You can see, and I'll just spread it all over my face. So for the compact, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me compact in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm gonna take it in my powder brush and powder my neck. So now we'll go for the contour part, and for the contouring, I'm gonna use really very light contour stuff. So this is what I'm using. This is Sugar Cosmetics contour mini palette in the shade 1. This is something topper, and it is so light. So I'll just take the product and I'll dust the extra, and I'll just start contouring it. So we'll just do like here, this area, because I have a broad forehead. If you don't have, then I don't think that you need any contour or bronzing in your forehead. So I do have, so I'll do like this here, and also here, this area. I don't have a bigger maybe a double chin, but still I do to make it more sharp, and here as well. So it will be like this, and this, and of course over here, so that it will give fuller lips, and definitely over here. So I'll just get back doing my contour. So now I will be using again the Sugar Cosmetics blush, and this is the shade number 5 Coral Climax, and it's like a beautiful, pretty, and highly pigmented blush. So I'll just pat and again pat over. Can you just see how pigmented it is? Only I have dabbed it like twice, and it's like this much of pigmentation. I just will go slowly with the pigmented stuff, so that's why I just got a little bit, but you will see like how exactly it's so pigmented still, like after even dabbing. Can you just see like so pigmented it is? So now I brought myself closer to you, because we are going to do the eye makeup, and so the simple maybe like 2 or 3 colors we're gonna use, and it will look really good. Very light, because I'm gonna draw all my attention to my lips. So a red lip. Yeah, so for the eye makeup, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Flawless Allure. This is my favorite nude palette. Like if you are into nude or something, this is what you should go for. This is so beautiful, stunning color palette, you guys. I really love it. This one, this color exactly, and this is Adore. So I'll take the same eyeshadow brush, and I'll just pick the color, dust the excess, and I'll just place it in my crease. I'll just flash that color or pop that color in that area only. Upar nahi, na niche, only those in the crease part. So as you can see, this actually give very beautiful color to my eyes. I'm really gonna keep this eyeshadow look very minimal, so I'm gonna use this eyeshadow as a last, like for the outer corner. So I'll just place it in my outer corner in a V format, like here and here, like this. And just, if you want your eyes also to look lifted, if you have a hooded eyes, then make sure you do it like this, not like this. So now we're gonna use this shade. This is a pinky shimmery shade, like pinky white golden color. The name of the shade is Fever. So I'm gonna pop it in the inner of my eyes like this, and I'm using my fingers because you know, whatever shimmer shades or the glitter shade you will use through your fingers, it will give you most pigmentation as compared to the brushes. So I'll just pop it like this. Yeah, can you see the difference in both the eyes? That's the thing. So now I'll be taking this shade Risky. This is something like brownie, you can say brown with red or orange undertone to it, so that I'll just smoke my under eyes, like this area, till half, okay, like maybe 3/4, that's all. Use this shade. This is somewhat like golden color and this is Magnetic, the name is. So I'll just pick in my brush and put it in my, oh, can you see the pigmentation? Whoa, 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 whoa. So I'll put that color into my inner corners as well. So for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I believe this is in the shade Molten Gold. Yeah, I love this. This is such a blinding highlighter. A little goes along. So I'll just dust the excess and apply it my highest, areas and blend it. Whoa, can you see this? So now I'll apply it in the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, in the Cupid's bow, and some on the chin also. So as I've already told you, this is gonna be a bold lipstick, like a dark, deep red, beautiful red lipstick. So I have two options for the red lipstick part, and this is so affordable. Like I have Inside Cosmetics, this is in the shade Cherry Passion V23, and my absolute favorite lipstick, this is Smashbox and Boss. The shade name is Boss. So I'm gonna use Boss because this is my absolute favorite, and this is so stunning. Can you see this color? This is so beautiful. You know what? I was so much into this makeup look and interacting with you guys that I forgot the most important thing, that is mascara, because I'm not going to use any liner or kajal or anything, but mascara is a must. And for the mascara, I'm going to use this Colossal from Maybelline, and I really like this because this gives the lips and lengthens and volume to the mascara, your eyelashes. So yeah, can you just see, just a single mascara can bring so much of drama and beautiful eye look to your, beautiful look to your eyes, what I'm saying. So this is how your eyes gonna look if you apply only mascara, but I'm not done. You can definitely stop your makeup over here, like with the lashes, mascara on, that's all. But I love drama in my eyes. So can you just see, I have just added this lashes, and this actually took the makeup to another level. And if you want to know from where I got these lashes, so this is from Swiss Beauty, and it is in the stuff Bossy. So yeah, this is what the eyelashes name, like Bossy, look like. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this look, and if you really recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. Upload first, then tag me in the Instagram, and my handle to Instagram is in the bottom part or in the description part. The link is there, or maybe it's like I_am_Sushmita SUSMITA. So you can definitely tag me over there, and do follow me over there because I upload and share my views on other topics as well, like social issues or whatever the trending issues is going on, all those stuff. So we can have a chit chat over there. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And thank you so much for your time, love, care, support. Thank you so much. See you really soon.